Just checking if the furnace was making a ticking sound. It was doing like tick, 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 tick. Let's see. That's the furnace right there. Just plug. Hey, I didn't even know there was a valve over here too. Okay, I gotta open these two plugs and connect them. You see these two? I think these plugs got loose and that's why it was ticking. Okay. All right. Let's see. It's hooked up. Let's go look at it now. Wow, I could turn the water off right over here instead of water to be freezing. That's the furnace right there underneath this. I don't know if you can see right there. Okay, let's go to the switch, to the thermostat. Okay. Back is still looking the same. Right here is the thermostat. Okay, turn it on. Furnace. It should come on. You hear that? It came on. You hear the noise? So that's the furnace. Okay. See, it's blowing pretty good, warm. That's the way you test it. See that? And warm, hot air coming out right there. See, this little thing, and you can fix it yourself.